So this is a little video. Short. To the point. What happens when a salvage artist goes in-Sany? Sany goes in-Sany. Sure. So the objective of Salvage Texas is to create a model, an environment, almost sealed off from the world, a vortex where time and the outside world of technology, 5G, and lights won't affect it. Salvage Texas is being created with the hope, desire, with an ambition, not to make $1 million, but to convince 1 million other people to do something similar, to create small groupings or villages out of salvage, pure salvage, as much as possible, to create permaculture environments instead of subdivisions.
I know within my heart, these houses have a soul, and I sing the song of salvage, and I sing it very well. It's a tune I'll keep on singing till I cast my lasting spell.
Salvage Texas is being designed such that a small group of humans could coexist peacefully with a very large group of creatures, from frogs, birds, and the many other animals that could live off of this land. A permaculture environment requires a chain. Each of the pieces, the links, from the bees to the moths, to the frogs, to the worms, are all part of that chain. I hope to inspire others to think out of the box, to morph these ideas into ways they can use them where they are, when they need them, and understand this is to inspire, this is to teach, this is to give to others so that they in turn may pass along these gifts. The gifts are simply the ideas, the knowledge, and the imagination, inspiration, and hopefully the ignition of the passion in others that it takes to accomplish these things. It can be done. I'm here to prove it, and once it's proven, others will pick up that baton and carry it on for the generations that follow.